So, what is up mga ka-tech shop? So, for today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here a Samsung A12. No power. If I charge it, no vibrate. So, if you're interested in this video mga ka-tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go. So I removed the SIM card tray and let's go ahead and remove the back cover. And I'm just using blade and prying tool to remove the back cover, but don't separate it yet from the cell phone because fingerprint is still attached to the back cover. And we don't want to cut off that fingerprint like cable. Let's go. So if you're interested in the tools that I've been using in my repairs, don't forget to check the links on the description mga ka-tech shop. Alright, so let's deattach the fingerprint flex cable and then remove all the screws at the top. Once we remove it, we can remove the cover and we should have access to the motherboard, the battery, and the flex cable for LCD. So I tested the motherboard in diode mode. One end should only beep, not the two ends. If both ends beeps, then there's a short of the on the motherboard. But this one, there's no short. So the battery only output 2 volts here. It's supposed to output 4 volts. So it could be that the battery is low, but and then I tested the charging, and as you can see, the voltage is not stable, and it's only 1 point something volts, and it's too low. And if I test the charging board, it's still the same. So it could be that the problem is in the charging board. So I ordered a new charging board, and as you can see, the voltage reaches to 5 volts, which is normal. That's the normal volt for this model. Alright, so let's attach the flex cable and battery and charge it. And now we can see the charging signal. So we got it fixed. Alright mga ka-tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to check the links on the description. Let's go!